yummy bean tostadas for breakfast with just some refried beans, lettuce, and salsa. Hopefully the salsa is spicy. It's medium flavor, so I have high hopes. And then also watch some YouTube. It's like the perfect fall day with some sun, a little bit of clouds, blue sky, and the leaves are kind of changing, but not too much so far. Only so far, the tiny bit right there. That is like reddish orange. This tree will change, and all these, and then this one obviously. So it's a little chilly out for me right now, but it's probably warm in the sun. Little pre-lunch snack, just a spicy potato taco. And they also have this at Taco Bell if you're looking for any vegan options. But theirs is just potatoes, lettuce, and then you can add beans and take off sour cream and cheese. But I just added some hummus to mine. And then I also have a chai latte with my leftover black tea from yesterday, so it's a little extra strong on caffeine. But I'm really excited for this yummy chai latte and spicy potato taco. Look at that. Look at that.
Bye.
Dinner at 10 something at night because I was trying to film something earlier. But this is just a taco salad with lettuce, salsa, pinto beans, corn, and some hash brown potatoes. Here's my dinner, just a burrito bowl with some pasta that I added, extra salsa and black pepper, and it's really good, so I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a mix-up on pasta salad. Beautiful start to the sunset and the night. And I think Bonnie and I are gonna go down and try and hopefully get Peter to go down with us too. Hi friends, so I thought I would just update you on my fitness journey so far. So I have worked out for 2 days. So on the 29th I biked for about 25 minutes and watched YouTube and some Netflix, and I also did some abs, and on the 30th I did biking for about 30 minutes, and I did some leg extension exercises, and I jogged in place for a little bit. And then yesterday, the 1st, for some reason I was super tired that day, and I even tried drinking some coffee, which I normally don't do because normally it gives me headaches. But I drank coffee, and I feel like it just kind of made me sleepy. My goal for the fitness journey is to gain muscle so that hopefully someday I can give blood, because right now I don't weigh enough in order to give blood. So my goal is just to gain muscle so that one day I can give blood, and I feel like I'm a pretty healthy person, and I have a really good immune system, I feel like, because the last time I got the flu was 6th grade, and even some years I don't even get a flu shot every year, so I'm hoping that someday I can be able to give blood and help people that are in need. Here are some of my beauty favorites. I really like this toothpaste. And one thing that I like about it is that it has a whitening aspect to it, but it doesn't have like a weird, like, gritty taste like most whitening toothpaste do. I love this chapstick. It is from the Body Shop, and it's part of the men's line, but I feel like it's really moisturizing, but not super greasy, and it's lasted me a really long time. It'll last me like over a year. And then my last beauty favorite is this lotion from Pacifica, and I feel like it's moisturizing but also light, so it's great for all seasons, and it's definitely lasted me a really long time, even though it's 1.7 ounces. Another beauty favorite is this lotion from the Body Shop in the Shea scent, and I really like that it is not a strong scent, and the lotion is also not super greasy.